Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your HUAWEI Nova 10. So we need to start with opening our App Store app gallery. Right here find Firefox. When you click on it, it won't download from the app gallery. You'll need to navigate manually to the web page of App Pure, and right here we can actually download the browser. Download anyway. Now when it's ready, we should be able to open it. So now it's downloaded, we can click and install it. Open when ready, and right here start customizing this browser by picking a theme, choosing a toolbar placement, switching always on privacy settings. You can synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up, read the privacy notice, and finally click on the start browsing. Now let's open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.